The Please Verify You Are a Human Press and Hold CAPTCHA is a modern security measure that websites use to distinguish between real human users and automated bots. This type of CAPTCHA requires you to click and hold a designated button or area for a specific duration, typically between 3 to 10 seconds. Unlike traditional image-based CAPTCHAs, it focuses on analyzing your interaction patterns. Here's what users actually see when encountering this CAPTCHA. The interface is designed to be simple and intuitive, with clear instructions and a button that users must press and hold. Behind the scenes, the system performs sophisticated analysis to determine if the interaction is genuinely human. It examines multiple behavioral factors simultaneously. The system analyzes pressure consistency to detect natural human touch patterns, timing variations that show human hesitation and movement, mouse trajectory for organic movement patterns, browser fingerprinting for device characteristics, and behavioral biometrics that create unique human interaction signatures. You might encounter this CAPTCHA in several situations. These include making multiple rapid page requests, using suspicious IP addresses or VPN services when automated browser behavior is detected, engaging in high-risk user behaviors like bulk actions, or when your geographic location raises security flags. Since 2024, press and hold CAPTCHAs have seen a remarkable 40% increase in implementation across major websites. This growth is driven by their proven effectiveness against automated scripts while maintaining excellent user accessibility compared to traditional puzzle-based CAPTCHAs. These CAPTCHAs are designed to prevent automated scripts and bots from bypassing security measures, performing bulk operations, creating fake accounts, scraping data illegally, and overwhelming servers with requests. The press and hold mechanism makes it extremely difficult for bots to replicate natural human interaction patterns. Press and hold CAPTCHAs represent a significant evolution in web security, offering a modern and user-friendly approach to bot detection by analyzing natural human behavior patterns rather than relying on complex puzzles or image recognition tasks. When you encounter the press and hold CAPTCHA repeatedly, start with these browser-based solutions. The first and most effective fix is clearing your browser data. Clear your cookies, cache, and browsing data completely. This removes any stored information that might be triggering the CAPTCHA system to flag your browser as suspicious. Next, temporarily disable your browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with CAPTCHA systems and cause them to repeatedly challenge you. If browser fixes don't work, the issue might be network-related. VPN and proxy services are common culprits that trigger CAPTCHA systems. VPN services can make your traffic appear suspicious to websites. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy, then try accessing the site again. You can also switch to a different network connection entirely. If network switching doesn't help, try resetting your router and modem. This gives you a fresh IP address and clears any network-related issues that might be causing the problem. Browser optimization is crucial for CAPTCHA compatibility. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version and has the proper settings enabled. Try using different browsers to isolate the issue. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge each handle CAPTCHAs slightly differently, so switching browsers often resolves the problem. Device-specific issues can also cause CAPTCHA problems. On mobile devices, ensure your touchscreen is working properly and registering touch inputs correctly. For desktop computers, check your mouse sensitivity settings. CAPTCHA systems analyze mouse movement patterns, so incorrect sensitivity can cause verification failures. As a final resort, restart your device completely. This clears temporary files, resets network connections, and eliminates any background processes that might be interfering with CAPTCHA verification. These step-by-step solutions address the most common causes of persistent press and hold CAPTCHA errors. Start with browser fixes, then move to network solutions, and finally try device-specific remedies.